Hello everyone, Luke here, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is on data recovery. So we've most likely all been in a position where we've either lost our files, corrupted them, or accidentally formatted whatever you've been using, whether that's a USB, an SD card, or a hard drive of sorts. But before you start worrying that you've lost all your precious files or hours and hours and hours of work, you should try this little trick first. So this program that I'm going to show you is absolutely awesome. It's free and it's also made by the same people that made CC Cleaner, which is one of the most awesome programs on my computer. So let's go over to the computer and take a look.
And welcome to the computer. So I've got a nice example set up on a USB stick where I've basically transferred some important files. So on this stick there is two pictures, two videos, three pictures. So here is the rope splice video right here, and then here is the self-closing Symphonious type generator video that we did. And now, if we just take a look at the pictures, here's me on a mini train track, and then there should be one more right here, a pretty picture of the city that I live in. So I thought I'd quickly show you that, so you know that I am actually recovering the right files. So what we're going to do is accidentally lose our files right now. Oh no, it's being formatted. It's corrupt. Oh. So now we can just quickly double check that that's completely empty. Like so. Awesome. Okay, so now we want to recover our files. So what we do is come over to this program right here, which is called Recuva or Recover. I'm a little bit unsure on that, but it's made by the same people that made CC Cleaner, which is another awesome program. So we'll just hit next. All files, and then we want to search in a specific location right here. So we'll click browse and hit our USB drive, and then we'll click next, and we want to enable this deep scan right here, because if it doesn't pick up the files on the first search, it will do a deep scan search which takes a little bit longer, but it should pick up your lost files. So then we're just going to click start and just let that go through. I'm probably going to speed this section up just a little bit, so I'll see you guys in a second. Awesome, so it's actually managed to pick everything up on the first scan. As you can see, there's two MP4 files and three JPEG files. So that pretty much means we've regained the entire contents of our USB. So what I'm going to do is create a folder on my desktop, just call it Luke's USB contents or something. And then we can finally recover these to the desktop. And the reason why I prefer to do it to the desktop instead of going straight to the USB is just in case if anything happens again. And we'll click OK and just let that process run. And now that process is finished, we can actually check the folder. And here you go. Here is the nice pretty picture of the city. Here's me on the mini train track, and here is me again. So let's just double check the videos just in case. Here it is, the self-closing Symphonious type generator. We can skip through that just to make sure that all the contents of that video is there. And we could do the same thing for the other video. Rope splice video and all the contents.
Anyway guys,
which is awesome. So we've fully recovered our files that were on the USB drive. So let's go back over to the camera.
So that was an awesome result. We managed to recover all 5 files that were on the USB stick, and they were all completely intact, which was exactly what we wanted. So this next bit is actually coming from experience, personal experience. So if you deleted something on a Mac computer and then decided to bring it over to a Windows computer, the likelihood of being able to recover them files is going to be quite low. It will still pop up with the files that you had, but it will have a little red dot next to the file instead of a green dot that you saw earlier on in the video. And that just basically means it's gone. It's a little bit unrecoverable, but if you worked hard on it and you did your research, you might be able to recover these corrupt files. So there's another thing I've been thinking about. If you deleted something on a different Windows computer and brought it over to, say, this Windows computer and then tried to recover it, I'm pretty sure that this will still work, but again, I'm unsure. So these things are definitely something that I have to test and something that I encourage you guys to test too. And with that being said, that does bring me to the end of this video. If you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day and I will see you later.